Hello and welcome to this awesome property right here in Raceview. I just love this suburb. It's so close to everything. Schools, shops, public transport and medical facilities just around the corner. The house itself, solid as a rock, brand new roof, 3 big built-in bedrooms, open plan living spaces, big kitchen, double remote garage, and of course at the back a great entertaining area. If you're looking for neat and tidy with a really easy to maintain yard, this is a must inspect. If you like what you see, call me, Facebook me, email me. Virtual inspections, well, we just love those. But basically, anyway you look at this property, you just have to look at it.